Welcome to Friday, welcome to G3, and welcome to the wonderful world of vehicle auctions. And this week we'll jump straight into Monday's Elite Auction because we've got one hell of a sale lined up and ready for you. It's 300 time. Not that 300. We've got 300 prime lots in Monday's Elite sale, obviously. However, it is going to be as epic as that great movie. Because I've done the calculations and we'll be offering off over £6 million worth of stock ranging from 7k all the way up to 60k. And it'll be live from the G3 Coliseum. Well, our auction hall here at Castleford. That includes a whopping 220 from our friends at Motability. So we thought, what will make our buyers sit up and take notice of this huge sale? Free stuff. That's free breakfasts and free drinks too. That's right, if you're down in the hall for this magnificent Motability Monday, make sure you visit the cafe for your free breakfast to start your day right. Now back to this bumper sale, and I've already had a sneaky look at the catalogue next week, and we've got some incredible lots on offer for you. So here are my favourites. First up, from Motability, registered in late 2019, this Volkswagen T-Roc. Great service history, great mileage, a spare key, and is finished in turmeric yellow. I think the colours probably swayed me on that one. But next up, one of 3 Land Rovers on offer from John Clark Motor Group. We have this Land Rover Discovery Sport Landmark on a 68 plate. This Disco is also inspected to a NAMA Grade 1, has 2 keys, has the service history to back it up, and can be a 7-seater, a 6-seater, a 5-seater, or you can even push down all the seats in the back and have a massive boot. And that's the reason why I'm a massive fan of this car. And just finally, a quick note on Liquid Fleet, because we've got a huge batch of 45 lots, and they should be popular in the hall because they're all great value Kias, ranging from Sportages to Rios, from Prestige GTs to Picanto X-Lines. So be sure to check them out. All these vehicles are here live at G3 Castleford on Monday and simultaneously online at 10 AM too. Now Monday's sale starts off a glorious 4-sale week, and it ends with another extremely special sale, but for different reasons. Thursday will see us offer off another huge amount of value cars and vans. But also we welcome back the RAC Dealer Network to G3 for another takeover sale. They're turning the red lane to orange for one day only. They'll have reps on site to provide information on their warranties and dealer network. And if you're in the RAC Dealer Network, speak to your local rep because they're offering incentives on buyer fees for anything you buy in this sale. So it's definitely one to look out for. But that's not all, because they're going to be paying for all the hot and cold drinks in next Thursday's sale. So again, get yourself down to the cafe if you're at the sale and pick up your free drinks courtesy of our friends at the RAC. And 1 year ago, on this very video, I welcomed Helena to G3 as she took her place as a front of house admin assistant, and in that time, she's learnt every rope possible and done it to the best of her ability. From managing vehicle documents to supporting the auctioneers on the rostrum. And she impressed the team with her work ethic so much that in early 2023, she was promoted to supervisor, which shows how much of a superstar she's been since joining G3 in 2022. So happy anniversary, Helena. It feels like you've been here for years and years and years. So here's to many more years. Thank you for watching. We'll be seeing you on Monday for 300 elite lots. 300. You're not going to forget that, are you? Have a great one.